Check out this new cat coin. The name of the coin is Newcat. So guys, if you are interested in this project, conduct your research before you buy this coin. Take it to God in prayer. This video is not a financial advice. Newcat journey into the music world. Newcat Token (NCT) is a token created out of the trend and hype of the trending words of a popular artist in the music industry. Well, you are a Newcat too, regardless of your portfolio size or stack of US dollars. Our stream to earn platform would reward users who stream music on our platform with NCT tokens. Circulating supply is 100 billion. Newcats are working our utilities. A stream to earn platform will reward users who stream music on our platform with NCT tokens. We would like to share the rubber with you. Rubber means cash. An in-app marketplace. We would create a marketplace where NCT tokens can be exchanged for real-life goods directly, further bridging the gap between the crypto space and the real world. Newcat image generator, an AI-powered photo generating program that creates personalized Newcat themed images from provided pictures. So guys, you can check out the utilities. I just mentioned some of them. The future is bright. We launched NCT to try a completely decentralized community experiment with the added advantage of a trend brought about by the statement of popular Afro-pop star Davido. We intend to lessen the gap between the music industry and the crypto space. So guys, I think this project is created by Africans, or let me say, I think this project is created by Nigerians. So guys, if you are interested in this project, conduct your research before you buy Newcat tokens or NCT tokens. Prophetic word by Frenzy on X. So guys, what I saw about Ocicat today is another big message that though it tarry, wait for it, it will surely come. You will not believe the kinds of buys and investors coming to Ocicat token any moment soon. A big super cycle is coming. So guys, conduct your research, pray and ask God before you buy Ocicat coin. Pray and ask God for direction before you buy NCT tokens. This is not a financial advice. So guys, what he's saying is he saw investors buying Ocicat coin and he saw people buying Ocicat coin. Ocicat coin is a coin on SMC DAO and Wikicat is the head of the ecosystem. All coins on SMC DAO, they are building utilities. They are moving from meme coins to utility coins. So guys, conduct your research before you make a move. Prophet Joel Ogebe shared this message on X. You still don't believe in Wikicat coin and the Kingdom coin. These coins are beyond BNB. They are literally a strategy of preservation. You see, the technology by which divinely orchestrated things operate is that of surprise. When you least expect it, you will see the massive move. So guys, very soon by the grace of God, there will be a massive move for Wikicat coin. Like I mentioned in my last or in some of my videos, I mentioned Wikicat coin is moving from meme coin to utility coin. I don't know much about the Kingdom coin. I believe this coin is owned by Prophet Joel or linked to Prophet Joel. Conduct your research before you buy any coin I've mentioned in any of my videos. Like, share, comment, subscribe, support this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless.